Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have another Tormenta update. Throughout today's video, you will notice that this series is unfortunately coming to an end. Since our last update, there has been some major updates and some really exciting ones too. Starting off, we have the train on site. It was first pointed out in a Facebook group, then Six Flags Over Texas themselves posted it, so I had to go out to the park to see if I could see it. Unfortunately for me, it was pretty hard to see because they did have the gate up in the transfer station. But then I saw a better picture on TikTok, and even the company doing the construction posted a picture of the trains. Now after the trains, there has been some major work in the plaza of the area. But before we can get into the plaza, walking into the park, I noticed they are finally starting to remove all the dirt that was over the train track. They had all the dirt there for the construction vehicles to drive over to get from one side to the other easier. But now when walking into the area, one of the first things I noticed is that they have added lockers across the pathway under the old building thing, which actually is an amazing use of space. When I was there, unfortunately not much had been done, but recently there was an enthusiast event and we were able to get a look behind the fence. They have added this huge bowl as a centerpiece before the ride entrance. I'm gonna be honest, this bowl looks amazing, and honestly the placement is so nice because it's right before the ride entrance. Now, as I said, just behind this bowl, they have started putting up the ride entrance. The sign is huge, which is good for this scale of a ride, and I'm actually really excited to see how the sign looks once they install it. But in this picture, you can see behind the sign there are two trains pulled out, and that is one of the best signs for testing because they have also started a pull-through test, but it's going very slowly. But also, whenever I was there, you could see that they had lights and fans on inside of the station, knowing that they have power going to the station. But the most recent work to the area has been the new Spain area sign. This sign has finally started to take shape, and honestly it's going to help set the tone for the entire area because the park earlier this year, or actually last year, sent out concept art, and it actually is going to look pretty cool. But unfortunately, as of now, I do not think Cocina Abuela is going to open with the ride because they haven't even put down the main base of the restaurant, so I'm guessing it might open later in the year, who knows. But with all this being said, the attraction is getting so close to opening day, and I'm so excited for it to open. I assume that in maybe the next month or two it will open, but we will just have to wait and see. And fun fact, breaking news, as I'm making this video, the ride has officially started testing. This is such an exciting and major step to get the ride closer to opening, which, when watching the testing, you can see just how fast this train takes this layout. It just hauls through this layout, especially during the loop. So I am so excited to go out to the park physically to watch this train go. But with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified on any major Texas theme park news. Thank you so much for watching today's Tormenta update, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.